everyone, so thanks for the introduction. I'm a volunteer with Civic Tech Waterloo Region. We did a project ahead of our last municipal election here in Ontario called Waterloo Region Votes, which was a nonpartisan initiative to increase voter engagement in that election. So municipal elections in Canada sort of notoriously have the lowest voter turnout, so something around like a third of people actually go out and vote in the municipal election. Waterloo Region, for now, we're one of 8 regional municipalities in Ontario, which means when we go to the polls, we're voting for 2 levels of government. So I live in Kitchener, which means when I got into to my polling station, I was writing 9 X's on a ballot of 32 people. So the mayor, my city councillor, 4 school board trustees, the regional chair, and 2 regional councillors. So that is a lot of people to get to know before you feel comfortable casting a vote. And again, because of that 2-tier system, if you wanted to find that information, you're visiting a minimum of 2 websites. And because of data maintenance and various election rules, there's a very limited amount of information that those government websites can give you. So Civic Tech WR, we got together and we built waterlooregionvotes.org as a way to make it easy to find out who is running in your geographic region. A way to make it easy to find information about those candidates by linking to things that the municipalities couldn't. And to make it easy to understand what our municipal government does, because there's a lot of confusion about who does what, especially when you're seeing like 32 different names on signs all around your community. So this is just some screen grabs from the post-election look of the website. So on the homepage, you have this little map, you type in your address, and it gives you everyone who's running for those 5 different positions in your geographic area. And then for each of those candidates, we would link to their website, all the social media that they have available, plus things like their campaign phone number and their other like more standard websites that you can find. So the website is supported by GitHub Pages, which is free, as I'm sure every other Civic Tech person who's doing this on a volunteer basis really appreciates. It's also pretty easy to collaborate with. I'm not a tech person, so I almost broke GitHub a bunch of times on my computer, so I was very grateful for the patience of lots of people to make it easy to upload information. The map uses a couple of different tools, so OpenStreetMap for the street data, GeoJSON for municipal boundaries, and some JavaScript leaflets to make the searching possible. And then we also were able to populate a Google Calendar with all of our events data. But really, like, the lion's share of the work on this project was just like manual internet scraping, so much of it. So that's like the skill set that I have is like internet scraping, so I was able to recognize it. So we're looking at, we have 230 plus candidates running in the election. So yeah, just looking for all of that information. And so it was challenging. There is open data available from the municipalities, but a lot of that data comes super early on in the campaign. So they might not even have a website or a candidate phone number at that point in time. And then candidates were using a variety of tools with a variety of like levels of savviness. So you can imagine that was, a little bit challenging. So this has really become a flagship project for Civic Tech WR. It's hugely galvanizing for our group. We've been around since 2017, but this is like the first big show. So it's a project that filled a real need in our community. It had a deadline, very important, having a deadline. Required the contributions of lots of different skill sets. So even if you couldn't code, there was lots of things to do. And it was driven by like a really incredible person, our colleague Paul Najjar, who is just such a huge passionate advocate for municipal politics. And so that type of care that someone has is really contagious. So we were really lucky to get a lot of supported media coverage for the project. So we're featured in our local paper, the Waterloo Region Record, a story that ended up being carried nationally on CBC, plus a Facebook Live event. There's my mug in the middle, like a really great screenshot post on CBC News Network around municipal news. There was also a municipal election happening in BC at that time. So we had about 9,000 users visit during the campaign period. 50% love to cram before the exam. So week before, a third of those people the day of the election. So at least they were using it. So we got a lot of really encouraging feedback from users and from candidates as well. So we're working on a federal version of the website now. If it's something that you're interested in running in your community, a municipal version, a federal version, we kind of took a pass on the provincial one this go around, but we're really working working to build something that works for the federal election as well. And then we're working to figure out an archiving strategy so we can have all of our election data in one piece, improving how we display candidate information, and improving our communication strategy as well. So thanks very much, everyone.